Hello once again, boys and girls. This is Mr. Campbell, and this is another mathematics video. In this video, you will learn about geometric patterns. Now, there are two basic types of geometric patterns that we will discuss. The first type is the repeating pattern, and the second is the growing pattern. Let's start with the repeating pattern. What is a repeating pattern? A repeating pattern occurs when the same sequence or order repeats over and over. For example, if we begin with a blue circle, followed by a red triangle, followed by the purple pentagon, so far we don't really have a pattern. We just have a sequence of shapes in various colors. But then we follow it up with another blue circle. So, we may have a pattern beginning to develop. Let's see if it's followed by a red triangle. Yes, it is a red triangle. So now we can safely say that we have a pattern developing here. What would be the next shape to follow? The next shape, if it is a true repeating pattern, would be the purple pentagon. And it is the purple pentagon. So what comes next? If we go blue circle, red triangle, purple pentagon, blue circle, red triangle, purple pentagon, then the next shape should be the blue circle once again. And there it is, the blue circle. So you can see that a repeating pattern, it just repeats the same sequence. And in this case, the sequence is blue circle, red triangle, purple pentagon, over and over and over again, continually. So how about a growing pattern? What is a growing pattern? A growing pattern occurs when a pattern is showing an increase with each term. An increase with each term. So it's growing. It is getting larger. For example, if in term 1 we begin with one blue circle, and then term 2, added to that one blue circle are two blue circles, sort of in the shape of a pyramid this time. Term 3, we're going to add another row that has 3 at the bottom to what we already had. So now we have a total of 6. So our pattern has gone from 1 to 3 to 6 now. Term 4, well, what will term 4 look like? Based on the previous terms, we can probably safely say that term 4 will have 4 circles along the bottom. And then on top of those 4 circles will be everything from term 3. There's the 4 circles along the bottom. And look, there's everything from term 3. So our pattern is a growing pattern, and we can see that we have gone from 1 circle along the bottom to 2 along the bottom with everything from term 1 on top of it. Term 3 brought us 3 circles along the bottom with everything from term 2 stacked on top. Term 4 gave us 4 circles along the bottom with everything from term 3 stacked on the top. So with each new term, we have a new row. And that row, the number of circles on that row actually matches the term. So as you can see, each time we added a row, that row has one more circle in it than the previous row. And that's our pattern. And believe it or not, that's all I have to say about geometric patterns. If you have any difficulty with this, please rewind. Watch this video over and over and over and over again until you become an absolute expert on repeating patterns and growing patterns.